apoyo to twal anabedo Morris Ogwalomara. Anabedo wonkom Mea Molata district. Amiro ni apoya tek to twal luak melao kede luak Mea Molata. Begin ameginu gena kede tela. Tini ni Shia Beach. Many nudwe apart we are bongwen medoma bishel. Wando tu ni yagiki. Many na deka wano bedo kede lira kan. Alpha Resort Hotel. Amo uyeyiwa kede gwo kede mara. Many ni wano bedi retreat district executive mamolata. De goreman achalo wonkom ananu ni pirete kame jone potpucha hotigi. Meli mungej orenuongo jora tikiri ngej ama herkere tela otedero. Akelo Tebere Michael ame wanu ngeo Uganda dushu ni ubere senior consultant ikobikum local government. Otebero dakero mina Martin Ucheno Diek amono ubere former speaker Melira district. Do wanu bero kan pinina dek mengeyo neno na achalo won koma big tieni miero wanu keta molata kanameti uchunga ber amero ochako yado malo ikobikum don alwak don district karachel. Do don ni dushu bedo ka hotela tamgi kirneno gi ochanne. Do wano bido kan me achiel me chan no neno tela. Menge yu tigi achalo members me council, district executive committee, chairpersons me committee, kedi district speaker, ke deputy speaker. Do ni na dek wano nyamu jama pol la maher kere don ama molata. Unyamu jama pol la maher kere kita me jone miruti kere mega mo peki boro tedero. Mene no peki boro tedero ni uchobere kere duoko bodgi weka teach wood karachel. Meario meneno ni o lobo tere teach ame gamente chwalo nyo program gamente mene ni tichien ka tiyo utia mo worke tera lwak o tia mo uneno ki kiname ochoni kita miruti kede mirutiu ame aticha gamente moro unyungatoro pe onywar teder kop me yor kom obede kwa ame oneno ni kirango ame roncha tikire mecha kuneno ni amola tade chani strategically wano kelo ame ronda ku district hospital. Do mano be nyamutama mo bedo pinina dek ametindo wano bini ya kiki. Do ana miru dan kwa yo tela melao. Ka wan miru tela be. Tieni miru chaki yipasho. Ka uchano yipasho tu chaku wodong yiping. Do tini ne wano tieko megi wa mambo la ta. Danga dong lowo man achata tami boru wogi kome dushu ilao. Ni peti kitora wano neno kirini cancel wa delivering. Ka wan peo yao togero gupugi. Meario ani neno ni igore ni okonya ma tek pen yang kirango amiru kere private sector jowa ametieti yuti chapa pata pirgi bala amita poya tek Pastor Johnson ame obiri yakina wana homacha obedo kano mi watam mi wa yura ngo amiru ti kere karachel pen dongo pasho pe dongo keni idongo kere tam kere nalwak do ana beru ki tek chwini jo apolto twalo interacting kere wani na deki dana kwa yoni chia mane melao krishia mane me Uganda dushu pienda ngana loki atida ari yotien mechung achalo ngata mechungi wegi kome in northern Uganda i family wa me wulga Uganda local government associations ameda achaha wotero ko pieno neno ni kirango amoya mecha ku influencing kire national government new central government meno ni affairs wa me local government berenance budget wa berenance ningo do mano be le tamama tamoni yunge program ando habiru lungu ate loke de press te loke de luak me northern Uganda amar kire neno memeda nyim kire tela we wano nen yora ngome positioning kire northern Uganda into this journey me 5 years do ana meno ni apoya tek unjo me media mida polwak melao mida potela wade wadushu ametila kan ni ana tikiri gen nika wano tela me priority me enhancing capacity jo wano tikidgi anything is possible. Do ana menda poyo ba me konyo wakara shel metune ya gikmeni na tinini una lego ni oba me polo minu mi uguma ko man nyingo bana kiripilo bana. Now gina shela me wano bere ye pointinti ni council ti established na hakiri multi party council bere na hakiri jo me nu ti me constructive criticism. Now gina shela me jo miru po hokoi ko metala wa me council ti ni disagreeing kere district chairperson, your councillor more disagreeing kere tampengu no berloeng. And this is a wrong perception. I'm over doing you there. Nika council te disagreeing ignore because at the end of the day, your mohotam, motamano. Ere joro neno ni kalde you tamorti council. Neno ni uberungo, uberloin. An na chalo ngatama beru council. An pa qualifying ilo nyol beru. The council lorke keni lao. Ginaka neno tieni. One thing which was lacking was capacity of both the leaders. Krijo anu tia me tia grieved. Because Ginonumi harmonizing your additional capacity building. And I mean, my first approach, I think I'm the first, is to build capacity. That I take a series of training for members of council. I'm actually before one child teach do my bureau. As I talk now on 29th, I have lobbied through FAPAD to have the first training, very serious training, with my old district councillors. In the budget, I have allocated priority, maybe the training of councillors. I've also talked to local government to have another separate training of council. So all this is to set the pace of governance team. Because how one people here, what caused all this problem is capacity building. And for me, I know no. The chairperson committee will now start concentrating on his role. Speaker will concentrate in his role. Members of executive will know John will carry out checks on what they are doing. And this will not be a fight. It will definitely be mechanism of delivering for the people. Kirango tikere piloak.
Apoya teha. Mira konya apoyo bangatek. Amomi wa chawa. Me pero karachiel kede executive councillors me amolatar mira po chairperson attack pe neno mere amomio choharani oberutie doc training oberutie me wek teacher me gina ti yunyo mo yero gi pire uti ya ber karachiel keda waha aduong e board gi ken ento karmere dusu board yo mo yero gi kede board Uganda lor amita kob kanni puonyere ni pira tek uka kobo but Johnny what gets trained for gets done kai metone ginor ni jo timi puonji pien jo apol pe timo ginor ni pien amachiel pe ong'yo ng'o amiro tim me ariyo pe ong'yo kit amiro tim kala chiel kede me adek onyodo luoro kede jamo kene so en puonyere ni konyo me kwanyo kod jami no dushu na haluori kom kwogi me weko ti kala chiel kede tek chuiny akobodang ni what gets talked about gets done miro obed kobo kare dushu amiro kong'ya puo tek gen chwa mo bino aneno chuiny me kubere kala chiel kede me note ya chakini tiyo koi kom kwogi ame lego na tieni miro meda akobo dongni a great team didik and amachielo tie kede common vision your common goal ka jo dusu ti aneno gina chiel score in kabira chiel amita kobini team no winning team no winning pien jo duch tia agwe ya dilo achobo so that is very key piratek kire dohi diverse skills jone dusu me oyeroni no jo neno ni skill or ti kwogi kala chiel kire dohi jo neno dange contributions gi moro ti agin romo making so ka gin duchu making contribution no kire skill agin tie kire bino miyo gina amolatar beda ber pien obang mi wa mota papat omi wa dang dira papat so punyo kiti dog sharpening and dira no temi you beda ber kire dong a strong coach and I think a poor chairperson ne NTA chaho kwanyo I know him not a punyo kara chekere Martin these are people who have made history. They have made history. They are still making history. So I'm hearing a poor teha pe the strong coaching I know bero kache kede. Giname tiene one na machiel ope gire kede ngo pe omiyo wa minister ento one of the ministers iyilao ame omiyo. Gina ngwende dushu one puru tweru tikara chiel kede kubere wataber. Memi you are benefiting ngo ikom ginor longa me gintia tiyo nyo offices gina yae offices gi pien amola tar tija mapola timere kobi komngo poi con pi ti karo kena me pi bino te monyo pacha jomoga dako ti karo kena me nuo emergencies mogo bedu tie ame ko jami no minister me okero ilango kan bino konyo kara chiel kire no kene ba wicha ngo social services ame tie aminwa ti yere nyarwa nyahawa ti yere all those we can be able to benefit from all of them na me ngo me honorable alum magino dushu pe aneno ni gap to bedo tie pien te ke jo dushu kubere kara chiel jo wuoro kana jo kubere jo dushu wuoro kana me omaro ge ye so wano mare kenwa mano bedo gina chiela pira te pe loho bod gi ken aloho borwa long e ye lao ne kuna koboni gina dong winyor kir total iborwa wan jo ame winyo radio kedo winyo to nera social media kede kano ken obedo winyo lweny ne lweny tie yino kitemo ko bugina ore yere ne jone tie gin mano kelo e kwero ko gin mano kele jote biro goya development bedo pe na kadi yot kayot e chokelo gino da kwero ko da kelo gino e chokwero ko otino kwero ko you don't develop petikitoro so mano biro gina chiela me amita ko botyo amo yero dusu kede wan jo adang o yero gini pe otug lwenyo pienti karo kendo wando otugo pe miriwa otugo pe miriwa wek miri otadero pien wano pol pe an kena ento mira jo dusu biro joni wori ate wo lweny pire mano biro gina chiela pire wan dusu ni we must support them wano tadero gino kelo wa tike da ber kadang dok baen tie dokogo tie ochako bino bodjo milion abisa bij bodjo mogo ka bino wek da tike alobere kere kitamengo okobe ni uti kala chiel kere let us support them kere wan jo ameo ba okero neno moro nyo ski ginoro contributions moro awano tie kere kaka na wano tie e Uganda loro kere mogo ti otino me amola ta duongo hata ti uduong and they are doing a lot actually so if we can be able to tap them out the resources and begin romo kello that will be our development boruno cho amuda me gine peka yenyo lweny yin ko contribution na jo gine me wek beda be ka onero ko ni mano mature discussion ka ne dan akwero mano ko ti maro ko yes that is mature discussion ame bedo TPN me miyo parliament bedo healthy maybe your council bedo healthy miro jo mogo pedo tam dusu ye mogo dan bedo tie ko kevore ye mano bedo gina chiela pira tek otherwise ana poyo una tek apoyo rola una ti playing unu maybe yo don bedo tie kedang je moga me peti kakare maybe yo dan kato wek dong jota chako lwenye peti ko papola poyo unu obambi okum